We've got a lot of firms focused on marketing automation, right? They're going to call it marketing automation. Marketing automation was created by these companies like Marketo and Eloqua and some of these big organizations. And people think, oh, I need to do marketing automation. But most firms, almost every firm that we've worked with, marketing automation involves sending thousands of pieces of content in a timed manner to targeted audience. So what we really use it for is about 10% of the real power of marketing automation, because you've got to have, again, thousands of pieces of content to really benefit. But there are some features that are great, like being able to send an invite and then have RSVPs. You'll have people that don't RSVP or that RSVP yes or no, and you might want to send different messages at different times. And that's what we see a lot of folks doing, and that is a piece of marketing automation. But just remember, you don't have to go out and buy Marketo and Eloqua and spend all that money just to use 10% of the features. So ROI to me is really important as well. The one thing to understand, whether you're just doing e-marketing, and by the way, Future, Concept, some of the more popular tools, they all have marketing automation facets to them. So it's not like you have to go buy a new tool to be able to say you're doing marketing automation. You can do it with a lot of the existing tools. If you're using a HubSpot, it does it as well. But the most important thing is your e-marketing should be integrated with your CRM, because if you don't, you have silos of data, right? And you don't want to have silos of data. It's like having two completely disconnected databases. A lot of these systems are great, but don't waste the money if you don't have a strategy. All right.